Hello. Bye.
Who was it?
It was a teacher I had yesterday.
The teacher?
I have something for her.
Oh, you're
Oh,
gonna give her
you're-
that?
You can tell her you love
It's a
Publix?
red heart. It's a red heart. It's beautiful and it's red.
Oh, that's so sweet.
That is sweet.
Thank you.
She's saying hello?
Yes.
Yep.
Who is it?
Look,
What's that?
there's something.
Well, don't drop it on the floor.
No. Look at this, Mommy.
What is that, bub? Oh, that's a bracelet for your wrist. Who is it?
Mommy, you have a boo-boo.
I do.
Uh-huh. You have a boo-boo on over here.
Oh.
On your elbow.
On my elbow.
Uh-huh.
Are you
Okay,
gonna fix me up,
Uh-huh.
Dr. John?
I'm going to give you a bandage.
Oh, okay.
Bandage for you. A bandage.
Oh, thank you.
Here's a bandage.
Okay. Is it this elbow or this elbow?
This out. That out. Over here.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Hmm?
The plate.
No, it's the other thing that's.
That.
It's the other thing. Johnny, it's the other thing that has sticky on it.
What?
It's the other thing that sticks. That's the sticky part. Put it on my elbow. That's what needs to go on my elbow is the sticky part. Thank you.
Good job. Nurse John.
Dr. John?
Dr. John. Doctors don't put on Band-Aids.
That's true. Nurses do much more work than doctors do.
Well,
Doctor.
He's Dr. John, the paleontologist.
Ah, that's what it is.
Well, Doc.
Oh, who is it?
And Dr. Sabrina, licensed clinical psychologist.
Mommy, Mommy, your bandage is going off.
Uh-oh. Can you fix it? Thank you.
I'll get more bandages. Where's my bandages, Mommy?
I don't know. Where did they go?
Can you find them, Mommy?
I don't know. Where did you put them? Did you put them over there?
Thank you. Give me kisses. Thank you.
All right. Don't start making a mess now. Come on, John. Put all of that.
All right, we're going to turn it off now.
Yes. So we can
Mommy,
clean
I
it.
don't know how to find it.
Okay. Well, I need you to put all those papers back in, please.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
I want my bandages.
I know, but they're on the floor. They're not in there.
Bye.